Hi, this is Teacher Alvin. In today's video, we're going to learn about English vocabulary words about cooking.
The following students are the students of Nong Datugan School. They are from Special Class, Senior High School 6/6.
Hi, I'm Beauty. Hi, I'm Shompu. Hi, I'm Oi. Hi, I'm Poo. Chopstick is a noun used for eating. Example: I need chopstick to grab meat. Glass is a noun used for drinking water. Example: Can I have a glass of water, please? Cup is a noun used for drinking. Example: He took the cup from her hand. Grill is a verb used for cooking. Example: I want to grill a cooking in the morning.